It was a Thursday night when I first saw you.
So as I mentioned yesterday, I have a few errands to run. I'm gonna go to IKEA and a few other things. So this is what I'm wearing. I have those boots from Target, my full leather pants from Primark, my black turtleneck from H&M, Primark. The coat is from Primark, as well as my purse. So there you go. What really surprises me right now is that it's not even cold. I mean, it's cold, but it's not like freezing. Weird. So let's go to IKEA. Okay, so this is actually the sleeper couch that I wanted from IKEA. Originally, I wanted the black one, but it wasn't in stock anymore. But the gray one was, and it's on sale for $139. It's a bit bigger than mine, but it's pretty much the same price that I paid. The only thing about IKEA is that unless you have a big car, like a van or something, you're gonna have to pay for shipping. And I think shipping is not that much. It might be like $29. I could be wrong. 29 or 50. That's a big price difference. But yeah, this is originally the one that I wanted. $139, and it was originally $199. Oh, and that's the name of it. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce it. Hope you guys can hear me through my mask. But yeah, super nice. And you can see it's gray. There's no hints of blue or anything. It's gray. So yeah. Okay, so I just came back from IKEA and have all of my IKEA stuff here. I figured that I would do a little haul. So the very first thing I went to IKEA for was a floating shelf, the Lack floating shelf. They were out of stock. I didn't think to check for it before going. But the second thing that I wanted was a fake plant, and I found it. I love it. I think it's eucalyptus. I could be wrong, but I do believe that's how eucalyptus look. And I bought the pot to put it in, because originally it just looks like this. And well, that's just no. So yeah, I'm thinking of putting it right there, but I guess we'll see. The next thing that I love to buy anytime I go to IKEA are this thing, candles, because I can never have too many candles or enough candles. And I usually buy the vanilla one. I bought 2 vanilla and 1 apple. If you like eating apple or the smell of apple, this one is for you. They last for 40 hours and they're $3 each, and they're pretty big. What I like about them is that you can light them the whole day and your house will not, like, you won't get a headache at the end of the day like some Bath and Body Works candles do for me. These, life. I didn't say how much this was. Okay, so the plant, if I'm not mistaken, was $20. If I'm not mistaken, was $20, either 15 or 20, and the pot itself was $3. So I bought a new clock to put. I might put it on this wall, or I might put it on that wall. I'm not quite sure yet. What I wanted for sure was a clock that doesn't make any noise. So I have one. I don't know if you can hear it, but this thing makes the most noise. It's like a grandmother's clock. You know those big ones that like at noon it goes bang, bang. This, if I'm not mistaken, won't make any noise, and I like the style of it. It's so nice. This was $1.99. I bought a couple of bowls. This is so random. I didn't go for that obviously, but I bought a couple of bowls because I love having big salads, and I didn't have a bowl big enough, pretty enough to put my salads in. So now I do. They're pretty big, as you can see. And those were $1.99 each, so I got two. To put next to my fake plant. I bought a tiny plant. When I saw it, I was just like, okay, fine, I'll get it. How cute is this? This was $1.99. I was just like, okay, fine, I'll just add it. What's that? Oh, this is the most random. I was texting my mom. I wanted to fry something. I saw this thing on Instagram where this woman deep fried something, like a taco bowl, like a taco something. And I was just like, I don't have anything that I can put oil in. So then I saw this. I was just like, this is perfect. Perfect. And there's 3 of them. This is the biggest one. And then there's 2 other in there. This is exactly what I needed. And I got it for $12. So, yeah. I forgot how much I love going to IKEA. I forgot. So the very last thing I bought is this little vase thing. I have a fake plant in my living room, and I don't like the pot that I put it in. But when I saw this, I was just like, I think this will fit perfectly. So I guess we'll see, and if it does, I will show you guys the end result. And if it doesn't, then I'll find another purpose for it. So okay, this was it. So let's get into... No, it wasn't. I forgot about this. Oops. Okay, I forgot about this. This looks like a chair, like a foldable chair, but it's not. It's actually a laundry, like one of those things that you put your dirty laundry in. And I love it because it's white. It's white and it's foldable. Obviously, you guys can see that I love foldable stuff. And this thing was $3.99. I had to. So I'm just gonna open it. Show you guys. It was on sale for $3.99. I think the original price was like $6.99. I mean, come on. And it's pretty big for like $3.99. I was looking at some on Amazon, and those things were like I'm choking on my own saliva. Anyway, this thing was like $17, the exact same. But you can get it at IKEA for $3.99. Okay, so I got 2, obviously. So yeah, anyway, like I said, this time I do believe that this is it. So let's get into the rest of the video. Cue the music.
Bathing in the light that you share, you're like the sun. Who am I to think how it'd be if you were mine? I've been walking with my shades on for so long, I can't seem to get them back on. 'Cause ooh, how I fell in love, couldn't see it coming, blasting my stereo. I can feel it coming, you on my radio. All I'm hearing is a song. My stereo.
And this is the final look of my wall. Absolutely love it. So I decided to put this instead of the floating shelf, and since it's still not in stock with my plant, and the pot I decided to put my incense. And this is how the couch is looking. Right on top I have some of my favorite quotes. Oh, this one you can already see. There you go. And so this is how this side looks. This is where I decided to put my laundry hamper. And this is what I have on here. Some of my favorite pictures. When I went to China, when we got stuck in Paris for another day, best crew ever for this too. One of my best friends, my sister. And so yeah. This is how my desk turned out. I love it. I have my crystal here. I have a blue calcite with the orange calcite. And then a few things that reminds me of Friends, the TV show, of course. This is what I look at when I'm filming. Here's my camera. And I was right about the clock. It doesn't make any noise. And this is what I have behind. If you guys are wondering how I did this wall, I will have it linked down below. It's my very first YouTube video.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're